the question that came is, what's an easy set it and forget it tool for beginners looking to start saving and investing? Now, the first thing I use, I'll give a couple of options. The first one I used when I got started was Acorns. Think of it like this. You go to the store, you spend 50 cents. The tool takes your 50 cents, the additional 50 cents, and it rolls it into a money market account. So you're actually spending $1, but that 50 cents is rolled into an account that earns interest. You're not seeing it. You go to the store, you spend 99 cents, that 1 cent goes toward that. Over the course of time, you'll begin to earn interest, and you will not see it. It's automated. That's the key thing. Is almost like when we go to the casino. They give you chips, okay? They give you chips because they know if you have cash, you won't spend the money the same way. It's the same concept. You have to put your mind into that mindset of, I'm paying myself first regardless. A couple of other ones that I've used in the past is one called YNAB, which is You Need a Budget. That's another one that helps you track your savings. And then lastly, one called Digit. That moves small amounts of money on a consistent basis into a savings account, and you set it up. The important thing about all this is simply as you get started. You decide what tool you want to use, but I do highly recommend you get started.